A mechanic is someone who works to maintain or repair your goods. That's why they perform tasks in a variety of workplace settings and need different types of tools. Now, you'll get to see some of the best tools for mechanics, and interestingly, you can use them too with a little skill. So, let's jump right into the tools. Screwdriver is such a tool that no mechanic forgets to keep in his arsenal, because it allows them to easily fasten or loosen screws in various parts. That's why we have the Dewalt DCF601 12-volt XR screwdriver. A perfect solution for professionals who need to get into tight spots. It's 36 millimeters shorter than the older model, so you can easily handle it in smaller spaces. And this tool weighs just 0.68 kilograms, so it's really portable. You also get 30% more runtime than before. With 15 torque settings and up to 8 Newton-meter of torque, this screwdriver is great for tougher screw-driving jobs. Plus, it has a spindle lock for hand tightening and 3 LEDs to light up your workspace. Interestingly, it's got a drop-and-load bit holder for one-handed use. It even works with your old 10.8V tools and batteries. Having a digital torque wrench is like getting an extra man for your job because it gives way more accuracy and speeds up installation by 50%. So say hello to the Milwaukee M12 digital torque wrench. This tool comes with a little but powerful motor which will cut your effort into half. So you're not going to have the hassle of using traditional hand tools or the two-tool process. This wrench is available in both 3/8" and 1/2" sizes, and it helps prevent over-tightening of fasteners with much greater accuracy. It also equipped with the one key feature, which allows you to generate torque data and create customizable reports, so you can easily track and document your work. This combination of speed, precision, and reporting functionality is perfect for mechanics who want better control over their torque settings and need reliable documentation for their jobs. Need a reliable tool for lifting or leveling heavy items? Here comes your new friend, the STANLEY FATMAX Tradelift, an ideal and useful solution for mechanics who need help getting the job done. This versatile tool lets you lift, level, hold, and spread awkward items, making it ideal for tasks like hanging doors or installing cabinets. It's designed to be your extra set of hands when you're working alone. Whether you're tackling kitchen, flooring, door, window installations, or even carpentry and drywall, the Tradelift will save you time and effort. Why waiting for your always late-coming workmate? Get a Tradelift now! Looking for a reliable tool to strip and cut wires? The KNIPEX forged wire stripper can be a solid choice for that. This tool can cut screws size 6-32 and 8-32 without threading. With locating ridges, you can easily find the right stripping holes for solid and stranded wires, ranging from 10 to 20 AWG. Meanwhile, the built-in opening spring makes frequent cutting a breeze, and its shear cutting blades offer 50% more cutting capacity than many competitors. This tool can handle cables, wires, NMB, BX, and MC, and it features wide gripping jaws for twisting wires. It also has a lock that works for both left and right-handed users, plus a wire looping groove for attaching wires to screws. Made from high-grade special tool steel, this wire stripper is forged and oil-hardened for durability, and it even has conduit reaming for removing burrs. Overall, it's a versatile and powerful tool for any mechanic's toolkit. Hand gloves are super important for mechanics because they protect your hands from cuts, abrasions, and chemicals while working on vehicles or machinery. So, get ready for the job with HART Gloves. You'll get 5 different styles to choose from. These gloves will help you to keep your hands safe with padded impact zones while enjoying the comfort of flexible fit fabrics. The gloves provide maximum grip and are made with stretchable spandex for easy handling. For even more protection, the leather gloves feature puncture-resistant leather. Plus, HART Gloves come with a 5-finger touchscreen capability, allowing you to use your phone without needing to take them off. This compact laser measurement tool from Skil is perfect for measuring distances up to 65 feet with ease. Its intuitive controls make it simple to access various features, including distance and continuous measuring modes, as well as area calculation. If you need to measure a curved or uneven surface, you can easily switch to the wheel measuring mode, which functions just like a traditional laser tape measure. Plus, toggling between imperial and metric units is a breeze with the press of a button. With this laser distance measure, you can enjoy the convenience and accuracy you need for all your measuring tasks, making it an essential tool for any project. The Klein Utility Borescope ET17 is a handy tool for mechanics that lets you see into tight spaces. It features a compact 5.5mm water-resistant camera, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet, and it delivers clear 720p resolution images. The 4.3-inch color LCD screen makes viewing easy, and the 10-foot nylon snake can navigate through all sorts of twists and turns. It also comes with handy attachments like a hook, magnet, and mirror to help you tackle different jobs. The camera is surrounded by 6 bright LED lights, which you can adjust to 4 different brightness levels. Plus, it has a self-storing kickstand that lets you use both hands for navigation. You can even transfer photos and videos easily through a USB-C interface. Next up, we have the VEVOR electric hydraulic car floor jack, a powerful tool with a lifting capacity of 5 tons and a range from 6.1 inches to 17.7 inches. It's a real lifesaver for roadside emergencies and home garage repairs, compatible with all kinds of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. This electric jack lifts a vehicle in just about 2 minutes, and it automatically stops when it reaches its maximum height for safety. Just make sure to use it on flat surfaces. It also comes with a high-efficiency impact wrench that delivers a maximum torque of 450 Newton meters. Plus, there's a built-in tire inflator to handle flat tires on the go, complete with a tire pressure display to keep an eye on things. With 3 spare fuses included, you can feel confident using this tool whenever you need it. Let's put some light on our list. This is the RYOBI 18-volt hybrid LED Worklight, a fantastic tool for mechanics needing bright, reliable lighting. This heavy-duty light comes with an impressive 3,000 lumens of LED light output. Thanks to its hybrid technology, you can get up to 16 hours of runtime on the low setting, or you can plug it into an extension cord for unlimited use, so you'll never be left in the dark. It's designed for easy organization and transport with the RYOBI Link wall and mobile storage system. You'll find multiple mounting options, including a 2x mounting capability, tripod mount, and integrated hooks and keyholes for added versatility. Plus, the Worklight features 3 settings, high, medium, and low, and can rotate 360 degrees, so you can direct the light exactly where you need it. To wrap up, we have kept the Milwaukee M18 high-torque impact wrenches on our list. These tools are designed to give mechanics top-notch cordless performance, available in 2 handy configurations. The half-inch friction ring version packs a punch with up to 1,400 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, allowing you to remove stubborn fasteners up to 2 times faster, all while being the most compact option. On the other hand, the half-inch pin detent version provides up to 750 foot-pounds of fastening torque and also features 4-mode drive control for added versatility. Both tools are compact and powerful, making them essential for any mechanic looking to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Are you looking for a powerful and reliable solution for threading pipes without the hassle of cords? The Dewalt DCE 700 cordless pipe threader is a high-performance tool built for demanding professional applications. Its brushless motor delivers flex-volt cordless power, ensuring long runtime and eliminating the need for power cords. Featuring the anti-rotation e-clutch system, a perform and protect feature, it enhances user control by sensing tool motion and shutting it down in bind-up situations. Capable of threading half-inch to 2-inch black iron pipe, rigid conduit, and more, this tool comes with a 9.0 amp-hour oil-resistant glass-filled nylon battery housed in a latched and sealed battery box for protection against cutting oils. Additionally, the patent-pending pipe clamp with a depth gauge allows for quick setup, and the die arm enables starting threads without direct contact with the spinning die head. Here's another commercial-grade tool from the tool giant, the Milwaukee 20-inch plate compactor, a robust, feature-packed tool made to deal with the harsh job site and tough jobs. With its power-state brushless motor, it hits harder and travels faster, while ensuring maximum productivity without compromising performance. Forget about gas hassles, because this tool features a push-button start and requires no regular maintenance, reducing downtime and speeding up job completion. On top of that, its zero emissions create a safer work environment indoors and in trenches. The multi-direction capability and fast-slow speed control offer greater maneuverability around forms. Not just that, this compactor comes with 2 high-capacity red lithium forged batteries which provide up to 35 minutes of continuous runtime or cover 5,000 square feet per charge. Need an ultimate solution for your worksite compacting tasks? Get your Milwaukee compactor right away. Next up, here comes the Makita XGT brushless half-inch mixer. A powerful tool that lets you handle all those tough, time-taking mixing jobs easily. Perfect for concrete, mortar, and other heavy-duty materials, its Makita 40-volt max XGT system ensures ample power. The mixer features a variable speed dial and trigger, enabling users to adjust mixing speeds precisely to suit different tasks. Its soft start function enhances control by reducing startup reaction, while a wide protective cover effectively prevents material splashback that could potentially damage the battery. Built for durability and comfort, this handheld mixer is an essential choice for professionals seeking efficient and reliable performance in construction and building projects. Let's take off with a big, bulky tool from Milwaukee. This is the MX Fuel Core Rig Stand. This battery-powered tool is engineered for professionals who need top-tier performance on demanding jobs. It can drill up to 14-inch holes in reinforced concrete and can handle 4 10-inch holes per charge. Equipped with the Porstate brushless motor, this core rig stand delivers the power every professional needs. Plus, the RedLink Plus intelligence ensures it won't overheat or overload, protecting your investment. Its intuitive design, including an easy bit removal system and modular construction, maximizes productivity on the job site. This tool comes with 2 high-capacity batteries and a fast charger, allowing for continuous operation with minimal downtime. All in all, this big guy is built for professionals who demand reliability, efficiency, and superior performance in their work. You might have never thought of consolidating concrete like this easily. Meet the Hilti Neuron cordless concrete vibrator, specifically built for handling all the tough jobs like flat work, deck pours, and precast applications with ease. The NCV-10 22 combines high power from its motor and head design with the mobility of a lightweight, ergonomic backpack and long-lasting Neuron batteries, allowing you to maneuver around rebar and formwork efficiently. It offers consistent performance comparable to stationary high-frequency vibrators and includes a range of interchangeable whips to suit various concrete volumes. With no gas fumes and minimal setup time, this tool ensures safer and more productive job sites while consolidating up to 80 cubic yards of concrete on a single pair of batteries. Makita introduces versatility and convenience with their 18-volt LXT heat guns, including the XGH-01 and XGH-02 as part of the expanding LXT system. These heat guns are cordless tools that professionals such as plumbers, electricians, auto mechanics, and contractors find handy. They're great for jobs ranging from wrapping vehicles and tinting windows to tougher tasks like stripping paint, thawing frozen pipes, and loosening stubborn materials. These guns provide reliable heat without needing to be plugged in, giving users freedom to move around easily. Whether applying wax, bending plastic, or handling other jobs that need controlled heat, these tools offer convenience and efficiency for various types of work. Hilti is a renowned brand for making tools for construction, building maintenance, and industrial projects. Now we have something cool for you, because every construction pro will love this wall saw. The Hilti DST-20CA wall saw is designed to be the ultimate solution for professionals seeking maximum productivity. With its 62-inch blade diameter and high horsepower, this saw offers versatility with integrated features like a flange bolt for standard and flush cutting, and a pull-push cut assist mode that accelerates cutting speeds for quicker results on site. Hilti Cut Assist technology automates cutting processes from surface detection to optimizing speed, gear, and water flow, saving time and enhancing efficiency. The saw's integrated control electronics eliminate the need for an external e-box, making it compact, easy to handle, and quick to set up. Designed for wet drilling, the DST-20CA is made for professionals who demand the best for their concrete cutting tasks. When you have such a cutting task in hand that involves some larger materials like metal or hardwood, a cut-off saw is the only option. So instead of taking on any other standard table-style saws, you better go with the Dewalt DCS 690 cut-off saw. Despite being cordless, this tool gives you professional-grade outcome with corded-like power. It packs with a 54-volt FlexVolt battery that ensures high performance without the need for cords. The durable, high-power brushless motor helps it tackle the toughest applications with ease. Additionally, the rotatable guard offers 5 positions for better visibility in tight spots, and the 83mm depth of cut allows for single-pass cuts in paved stones, rebar, and concrete. Built with an all-metal drivetrain, it boasts superior durability and efficiency. Moreover, a heavy load indicator provides feedback during demanding tasks without interruptions, and the ergonomic handle with a soft grip ensures comfort during extended use. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time!